What's the meaning of contrasting? Contrasting. Contrasting.
Contrasting. Contrasting. Contrasting refers to the act of comparing two or more things that are markedly different from each other in some way, either in appearance, behavior, or other characteristics. By contrasting two or more things, we can better understand their differences and similarities, which can be useful in various fields, such as science, art, literature, and more. For example, if we want to analyze the differences between two art styles, we can use contrasting techniques to highlight their distinct features, such as colors, shapes, lines, and textures. Ultimately, contrasting helps us to appreciate the diversity and complexity of the world around us.